Hello everyone, she's in pain today. I'm gonna be reacting to this video with her today. It's Disturbed, The Sound of Silence. Guess without further ado. Excuse me if it gets loud.
We do not have to turn it up that loud. I don't want to see no face like that. Say he want to talk to me. It's pretty scary. He looks like Howie Mandel, the guy from Deal or No Deal. Huh?
Always stop.
It's a country song? Wait, I thought he had a guitar. Now it's a banjo? I mean, not a banjo. A bongo? Not a bongo.
You know bands have more than one keyboard now, right?
Oh, is that somebody else? Better build. I wish I could read music like I used to be able to. It's kind of dark.
What's wrong?
Oh, come through. Boom, boom. Like the people do when it's time to go to war. Right?
I love you.
Love you. Children of the Forest? I'm confused. Where they come from? Sustain. I'm so confused. So what happened? Did they all join together? Is that everybody together on the boat? No, they still over there. Oh, they don't exist. That's some Pirates of the Caribbean shit. I like this song. I like this song. I normally don't get into like country all like that.
That's not country.
It gave me country vibes. It gave me country vibes. He was very intense. He looks like Howie Mandel from Deal or No Deal.
Never heard of Disturbed, the band?
No.
Get Down with the Sickness. Ooh, ah, ah, ah. I don't know how to do that.
That sounds like a monkey. Ooh,
We're gonna have to react to that video next.
No, not next.
Well,
but
not react to it, but you know.
I thought it was good. I'm gonna be hearing the. That's all I'm gonna hear in my head now. All right, but yeah, thank you so much. Y'all tell me what y'all think and you know what else to react to, and that's it. Again, I'm in pain.